Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so glad that you're here. And in this episode, I got some advice I want to share with you. Well, I was doing a video shoot and I was having a little bit of issue trying to get that right shot. But I was feeling overwhelmed, but also I was feeling a little distracted because I had some other family issues on my mind. I put it on to Twitter and I got a lot of friends that I keep in contact with, and I said, hey, feeling overwhelmed at the moment. Put it out to Twitter, didn't even think about it, just moved on with my life and just got the shot. But then later on, as I was looking at the footage and having a cup of coffee, I checked Twitter and all of a sudden I had all these responses. All these guys were checking in on me. And you know what? That was nice. That was real nice. I didn't expect that, And they were just checking in. Hey Ed, you okay? Hey Ed, what's up? Hey, you alright? No man is an island, as they say. And sometimes we get so involved in our projects or whatever you're doing, in your work, your relationship, your family, and you forget about reaching out. You forget about the connections that are out there when things get hard. And this woke me up that instead of worrying about myself, I can just reach out and talk to somebody. And that's what I did. I put it out there and I told the guys, hey, I'm struggling with this. My dad is sick. I'm kind of sad about that. I'm a little overwhelmed by all this new stuff, but I'm still having fun. But thanks for checking on me. So what do I want you to know in this video? What I want you to know is if you're a creator, if you're a husband, if you're a dad, or if you're just a guy, a dude, struggling with some life issue, reach out. I'm sure that there is someone in your circle that will be there and listen. But you just have to reach out and put it out there and just say, hey, can you talk? I could really use about 3 minutes of your time to just share and open up. Back when I used to run support groups for my men who were struggling with addictions and also a little bit of mental health issues, one of the things we talked about was having your top 3. Make a top 3 list of people that you can call at any time and reach out and talk to. Friends, co-workers, anybody. It's that simple, okay? When you're going through a life issue or a life challenge and you feel lonely, just reach out. Look at your list, hit the first one and say, hey, this is Ed. I can use some help. Now it could be on the phone. I don't know why I'm doing this. No one uses a phone like this anymore. Hello? Should be more like this, right? Swipe? Whatever. And reach out to some people and just ask for help or just ask for some time. It doesn't take much and it could be quite helpful. I know it was helpful for me. So that's my message to you today. I hope you found this helpful. And if you like this video, well, you know what to do. Give it a like. If you're new here, join me and consider this your home to get some support, guidance, and have some fun. I'll see you in the next video. Dad out.
I'm a simple man, don't want a complication.